Here is how to find your Discord ID. So first, open your Discord application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Now go to your profile by tapping on the profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. From this page, you need to tap on your profile picture icon. From this page, you need to tap on the gear icon in the top right to go to your settings. Now scroll down and go to the section of App Settings. Tap on Advanced, then select the Developer mode and turn it on if it's currently disabled. Return to your home screen. Open any direct message or user profile, or choose the account whose Discord ID you want. In the top right corner, tap on the three dots and tap on Copy User ID. It will be copied on your clipboard and you can paste it and share it with your friends or anywhere you like. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.